Hello, today we are making chocolate bark. So what I'm going to do in a saucepan, and a lot of times people will use a double boiler, I'm going to get a tablespoon or so of coconut oil and put it in the pan. I have this on the lowest setting that you can do. And then I'm going to add in the chocolate chips. I have a 12-ounce bag of chocolate chips here. And I'm going to consistently stir. You do not want to burn the chocolate. And also, because the holidays are coming up, I'm also going to add some peppermint oil. So I have doTERRA peppermint oil. I'm only going to add 1 drop. Just 1 drop. It gives it amazing flavor. So I'm just going to let this melt. And again, keep stirring because you don't want to burn any of the chocolate. And that's almost finished, so I'm going to take this off of the heat. I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to set it down over here. And in the meantime, I'm going to get my plates ready. I have parchment paper that I already crinkled up. If you crinkle it up and flatten it out, then it makes it easier to control. Okay, so we have that. I also have all of my ingredients I'll put right here. I have slivered almonds that I slivered myself. I have here hemp seeds, chia seeds. I also have some cayenne pepper flakes that I got from my garden. I dried them and made them myself. I ground them up. And then I have some Celtic sea salt. So as you can see, the chocolate is all melted now. I'm gonna pour this on here. You can put the seeds and stuff underneath, or you can put them on top. And now I'm just going to take some of my ingredients. May put a little bit more on this one. And I'm going to do some almonds. I'm not going to do almonds on this one. Let me flatten this out a little bit. I'm going to do some chia seeds. They're so fine, so they kind of get everywhere sometimes. I'm going to put chia seeds on this one as well. I'm going to do hemp seeds. And you can add different flavors to this also. You can add lavender, you could add rose. I think lavender and rose together is an amazing flavor. Put a little bit more of that on there. Then to this one here, I'm just going to add some cayenne pepper flakes. For those of you who like a little bit of spice. Now I used dark chocolate, a special dark, but you can use any kind of chocolate you want. Now I'm just going to sprinkle the salt on. Just gives it an excellent flavor. And now we can put this in the fridge and let it solidify, and then we can break it up.